Hello there! Ever wish editing photos was as easy as clicking a button? Well, good news. Photoshop now comes with powerful AI tools that make editing faster, smarter, and more creative. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of how to use them effectively. First, start by selecting an area of your image using the lasso tool. Click on Generative Fill. A prompt box appears. Type in what you want to see, like blue sky with clouds. Hit Generate, and Photoshop will instantly give you realistic variations to choose from. Need to remove something? Use the Remove tool. Just highlight the object, click Remove, and Photoshop will automatically fill in the background, clean and seamless. You can also generate new visuals from scratch. Go to Text to Image. Type your idea, for example, a city at night, and Photoshop will turn it into a realistic image. With AI in Photoshop, editing becomes faster, more flexible, and incredibly intuitive. Experiment with these tools and see how they can transform your workflow.